Discovering the versatility and nutrition of Buddha bowls. I'm Alessandro, and from my channel, More Recipes in the World, today we have a very colorful and delicious video. Welcome. We will show you how to prepare this healthy and delicious option. It is perfect for any meal and adapts to various diets. First, choose your grain base. You can opt for quinoa, brown rice, or even couscous. These provide a healthy source of carbohydrates and add a nice texture to your bowl. Next, select your protein. Roasted chickpeas are a great option for vegetarians, marinated tofu for vegans, and for those who prefer meat, grilled chicken is a delicious option. The next layer of your Buddha bowl will consist of vegetables. You can choose between peppers, carrots, broccoli, avocado, cherry tomatoes, or any other of your favorite vegetables. The idea is to add color and nutrients to your plate. Don't forget to include some vegetables like spinach, kale, or lettuce. You could also include corn on the cob, peppers, and others of your choice. Vegetables provide fiber and a large amount of vitamins and minerals. Finally, add a little sauce for an extra touch of flavor. Tahini, hummus, or balsamic vinaigrette are great options. Remember that the key is moderation. And to finish, sprinkle a little seeds or nuts on top. Walnuts and almonds are a delicious choice. They provide a healthy dose of healthy fats and add a delicious crunch to your Buddha bowl. With all these ingredients, you have a complete and nutritious dish that is as versatile as it is delicious. You can mix and match different ingredients to make a Buddha bowl that suits your tastes. Thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, don't forget to like, hit and subscribe to our channel for more recipes from around the world. We hope this Buddha bowl video has inspired you to try something new and healthy. Remember, the key to a healthy diet is variety, so don't be afraid to experiment with different ingredients and flavors. Until next time.